Today is January 14th. I'm here at the farmhouse to do some trim painting. So if you recall, the trims that I made on the windows and the doors are just basically a common board, really cheap wood. And I'm gonna paint it, but before I do that, I'm gonna have to caulk all these cracks. So it's gonna look really nice up here too, and so on, and for the door frames too. So what I decided to do is, instead of doing all of them at once, I'm just gonna work on the bathroom today. So there are 2 windows and 2 doors in the bathroom that I'm gonna work on, and the caulk I'm gonna be using is a paintable caulk that is supposed to dry and ready to go in 30 minutes. Yeah, we have a bed here. Okay, so the caulk that I'm gonna use is for baseboard, windows, doors, molding, trim. So I need to dry it for 30 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm gonna do something else while that's drying, and then I come back and paint it. I am done with the first coat painting the window trim. What I forgot to do is fill in the nail holes. But since I'm doing a second coat anyway, I'll just do that. I'm gonna use caulk to do that. I am done with the 2 bathroom doors as well. I used the mini roller, which actually made it much easier to cover up all the holes, and it looks like for the doors at least I'm not gonna need another coat. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Here's the other door. Looks pretty nice. And for the window, I definitely gonna have to have another coat. I'm gonna try to use the mini roller on that one as well next time, but we'll see. And I still have to do this window, but I made good progress, so see you next time.